Hi guys, so today we're going to make coffee soap. This is my first time making it. I am going to call this coffee bar, and this rich and creamy soap will have some coffee butter in there and some really rich nourishing oils. You can use any beginner soap recipe if you like. I would say if you've never made cold processed soap before, I would say that it would benefit you from looking at some beginning soap makers YouTube videos. I started using Bramble Berry, the Soap Queen's videos, and she has some really great beginner videos. I'll post a link in the description. Right now I'm just melting the oils. I've already pre-measured them. They are melting gently in a double boiler, a makeshift double boiler. Okay, right about now our oils are just about melted. We're going to take this off of the heat and start blending our coffee batter. So I've already prepared the lye water, which I have added infused coffee into it. And then I also have my coffee grounds ready. So here we go. So as you can see, I'm wearing gloves. Please make sure that you use proper light safety by wearing gloves, preferably long gloves, and eye goggles so that you can protect your eyes and your skin in case there's any splashing from the lye solution. So I've already added our lye solution, which already has some coffee in there, and we are going to blend until we need trace. So we're currently at a light trace, and I wanted to split the batch because I want to whiten just a little bit of it because I want to kind of swirl the top with a little bit of white. That's pre-mixed titanium dioxide, and I mix that out with a little bit of hot water, just about 2 teaspoons, which is a bit more than I need, but I'm going to use some of that for another batch. So I'm going to blend that up a little bit. And as you can see, there is a good contrast, and what I'm going to do is really just add that to the top. We're going to blend the main batch a little bit more, and I'm adding my coffee in there, and that's about just 3 teaspoons that I've added, and I really am only adding it in this part of the batch. You can add the coffee wherever you want, but I wanted to see a little bit of contrast, and I only wanted the scrubby action in the main part of the batch. I've added my fragrance oil, and I'm using fragrance from Bramble Berry, and that fragrance is espresso and Turkish mocha. So right here I'm just hand blending, just making sure I get the color that I like, and I decided to not use the stick blender because I didn't want it to thicken up too fast. So we're pouring the soap, and of course it thickened up too fast on me, but that's okay. This is just a simple soap. I really only wanted to do a simple swirl on the top, so we'll see how it goes. bar soap, I ended up swirling with the spoon rather than the other tool that I wanted to use. I was going to use just a little skewer, but the spoon works just fine. You have to be able to use what you can when you're making soap. And then I'm just going to texture the top a little bit more, and our soap will be done. So it took me a few tries texturing the top, but I think I finally have it where I want it to be. And we will finish off with just sprinkling some ground coffee on the top. I think it'll look pretty if you add some whole coffee beans, but this time we're just doing the grounds. Happy soaping.